back with KittiesMama. My name is Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Paige.
And today we're going to be doing a Dunkin' Donuts advent calendar.
And if you haven't seen our other series, it's where we eat food out of an advent calendar. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And also hit that bell. And also hit not occasional, but always notifications. So let's go ahead and begin.
Give this video a good old like if you are watching it. That's a good reason. Go ahead and smash that like button.
So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and open number one. Who cares for a sprinkled donut?
You. Take a big old bite of that. Take a big bite.
That's actually pretty good.
It's good.
That looks like just.
It's pretty
Because
standard.
it's like weird. It's like pink.
No, it's strawberry.
Ooh.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't notice.
No, you gotta be really intense.
You don't have nails
You
anymore.
gotta like.
There you
Yeah.
go. Mm-hmm. Oh, it is a leg.
Oh, it's an
That's
egg. It's
That's
so
cute.
nice.
That's
Look
the
how
cutest
cute
one
it
I've
is.
seen. I want to give it a sniff.
Take a big old bite of that. What flavor is it?
I think it's just glaze.
Yeah, it's just
It's like colored glaze.
It's something like one of those meme accounts with those, you know?
Yeah, but
It's
it's
like,
got really
oh,
bad
no.
lighting.
My dentist put my braces on my lip. You know?
Musical
Mine
child.
is harder than the other ones.
That was weak.
Ooh, wow.
Is it one of those coils? Oh, it is.
This is a swirly donut. I don't know the actual
I
name
want
of
to
it.
try
Is
it.
it like a cruller?
Sorry to say it, but I kind of hate that.
I don't want your dirty mouth on.
Kind of tastes like a waffle if you didn't add anything on
It
it.
tastes like a
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
a
no.
soggy cold waffle. Like an Eggo
No,
waffle.
it tastes like an
that
ice
you
cream
eat straight
cone.
out of the freezer.
You know, sugar.
No, straight out of the fridge.
Sugar
not the
cones.
freezer.
Tastes like sugar cones if they
It
weren't
does
crunchy.
taste like a sugar cone.
Number 4.
It tastes like soggy cereal.
So, I got a drink. It's pretty cool. This is a Cosmic Cooler. Pretty cool. It says OP on it. It is blue raspberry and pineapple, I think. And we're gonna give it a nice little sip. Yum yum. Give it a taste. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Very syrupy.
It's
Very
so
artificial.
syrupy.
Well then mix it a little bit and go towards
It
the
tastes
top.
like a Jolly Rancher.
It does taste like a Jolly Rancher.
That sounds like I was gonna say it tastes like diabetes. I'm not sure if I can say that. I like it though.
I do too.
I'm a child at heart. It's like
No,
one
you
of
gotta
my
get real- There you go. I think our Pop Pops would like that one.
Oh, not yet. Wait, whoa. Might knock it over.
Pretty. I'm gonna take a small bite because I feel like the
I've got the sport donut.
Nice. Ooh. I'm gonna say right now, I don't really like jelly donuts.
Neither do I.
They're kind of.
All right, let's take a bite. Like no, it tastes like candy corn.
What? Oh yeah.
There was no one. Okay, so this one is a strawberry frosted Dunkin drink float. I like it. Yum yum.
Take a big old bite of that.
A big bite.
Big old bite of that.
Let me get another shot. Take 4 more bites.
It's good.
Eat the whole thing in one bite.
Cool.
That's pretty good.
Yum.
Oh, my turn. Number 9. Once again, I am gypped. It's got jelly in it.
Grape jelly is better than strawberry jelly.
I don't like jelly filled stuff.
Our mother does though.
Here.
I'm gonna do the next one. Wow! I got the coolest thing once again. Now it is a chocolate frosted Dunkin' Donuts drink float. Yum yum.
They fit perfectly.
No.
Yeah, give me the other one. I can wear 2 bracelets.
I'm drinking it.
Leave it off.
It's yellow!
Beautiful, glistening in the light.
Yum yum.
Lemon. Yeah, I think it is a little bit.
I think that is lemon.
Yeah, it's
A little bit.
lemon.
I've got the witch donut.
Minecraft is freaking epic.
This cosmic cooler. This one is apparently cotton candy. Hey guys, it's me here. Blue aesthetic.
How's it taste, Emma?
Good? It's like cotton candy.
This is sour.
It's better than this
I
one.
don't like it. I like this one.
It's my turn.
Yeah.
This one. Guess what, guys? I got the coolest thing once again. It's called Dunkin Donut cup. It was $6. Was it worth it? Comment down below.
Dusty.
Okay, no. All of it? What are you doing?
I like the plops.
There's more to come.
Wait.
Yum yum. Do not put it on. Stop. No.
I've got to mix
Oh
it.
my gosh. I see the. Whoa. That one was big.
I think there's another cup, but it's Kristen's. We're gonna butcher that one too.
Now we're gonna give it a mix.
That looks pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty color. It's like a Starbucks cup that everyone would be like, whoa, Starbucks made a new drink. It's called the mermaid drink.
I'm closing.
Oh.
Is that a cream-filled one?
Oh. Oh. It looks like it's banana. Oh. What happened?
You know, it's pretty good.
It looks like it is my turn.
You know how to do it.
Woo!
What is it?
I got
A hat.
the pink Dunkin beanie. Is that what it's called? Yeah, a Dunkin beanie.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Hey guys. It's me, one of those South Park characters. I know that there's one that kind of looks, that has like a beanie over its head, right?
I don't know.
I've never watched a single episode of South Park. Turn my expression.
Yeah.
Oh.
It is.
See, he wears it like on top of his head, like this.
Ooh.
What's inside?
Whoa, that looks super good. I'm sorry, Dunkin' Donuts.
Take a big bite of that.
I'll taste it.
Really?
No.
Just powdered sugar all over our floor.
Ooh. Shockingly similar.
Shockingly similar to everything else we've gotten.
Yummy. Yum yum. How was that?
Wow. I bet that's good.
Did you kill my phone? Was my phone dead now?
Ooh. Dunkin' Donuts Hidden Heart Heat Mug.
Because there's a heart in the bottom of it and it reduces space.
Look at that. There's a heart in it.
Let's go ahead and see what this one is. I really want to eat it.
You didn't
This is
eat
my
it.
yummy donut dance. Has it ever done it? Yummy.
Oh.
I'm gonna do it the yummy drink dance.
Another.
Oh, it looks like it's great. Cooler.
It's another cosmic cooler.
It's my yummy drink dance.
There's no straws.
Flat. Is it good?
Micah has evolved into
It's like
donut
thick.
boy.
It's thick. It's not frozen anymore, but it's thick. You'll know what I'm
thick.
talking
How are you
about.
spelling that?
THICCC.
THQQUE.
Why?
Go ahead, take a drink.
See,
of
it's thick.
that. I want to get a drink to that.
It's like
thick.
milk.
It tastes like Halloween.
Yeah, it does.
Let's all do the yummy drink dance. T-posing. So that about wraps up this video.
It does wrap up this video. No about there.
Let's all do the yummy donut dance.
Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
Bye.
Click these rectangles, watch our videos, click